Water is vital for survival, but not all sources are safe. Streams and lakes can harbor harmful microbes. Water purification tablets are essential in your survival kit. These tiny tablets eliminate pathogens, making water drinkable. Follow the instructions carefully. Drop the recommended number of tablets, wait the specified time, and then it's safe to drink. Brands like Aquatabs and Potable Aqua are reliable choices. Emergency blankets, also known as space or thermal blankets, are crucial for survival. Made from reflective material, they retain body heat, preventing hypothermia. These blankets also shield against wind and moisture, maintaining core body temperature. Mylar blankets are lightweight and effective, with some offering added features like waterproofing. Proper storage is key. Fold them carefully to avoid tears. They can be lifesavers in cold, unpredictable conditions. Fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling for help. Waterproof matches, lighters, and fire starters are crucial for starting fires in any condition. Practice fire-building techniques to ensure success. A multi-tool is versatile for survival tasks like cutting, opening, and repairing. Look for features like a knife, pliers, and screwdrivers. These tools are invaluable for tasks like cutting rope and opening cans in emergencies.